An analyst's price target is optimistic, but it's likely only the beginning for Intel stock. An analyst recently upgraded Intel and gave it an optimistic price target. However, you shouldn't invest in Intel unless you've conducted your due diligence on ARM. Intel stock will probably continue to rally even after it reaches $50. Let's dive in. Intel stock. Here's why you should first look for $50. Then the sky's the limit. Welcome to Timely Investment Research. Do you remember how Intel was the object of scorn in 2022 and early 2023? Now, Intel is finally getting its due respect. Consequently, Intel stock has rallied, but this is a time to let your winners run, not take your chips off the table. Don't get the wrong idea. Intel will have to face several challenges in the new year. As we'll discover, the company is encountering difficulties in Europe. Intel stock investors can rest assured that their shares will gain value in the long run. Bad and good news for Intel stock investors. Intel wants to establish chip-making plants in Europe and specifically in Germany. According to a Reuters report, Berlin had agreed to subsidies worth nearly 10 billion euros with Intel. Unfortunately, Intel's plans appear to have hit a speed bump. A negative court ruling on German finances could cost Intel billions of euros in subsidies for planned chip-making plants in the state of Saxony-Anhalt, Reuters reported. This update comes from Sven Schulze, economy minister of Saxony-Anhalt in Germany, via a magazine called Wirtschaftswoche. On the other hand, Intel may receive a funding package worth millions of dollars from the U.S. government. The funding's purpose would be to make microchips for military applications, Barron's reports. You'll definitely want to check back, as this story is still in progress. Intel stock gets a notable upgrade. Meanwhile, it looks like Intel is finally getting some love on Wall Street. Mizuho Securities analyst Vijay Rakesh upgraded Intel stock from neutral to buy and raised his price target on the shares from $37 to $50. Rakesh now sees Intel as being refocused on a better 2024 estimated data center and personal computer roadmap. This could drive Intel's turnaround story after the company lost market share in these segments, and, Rakesh posits, help improve Intel's margins. Certainly, the price target raise from $37 to $50 is eye-opening. Don't be too quick to jump into a trade with Intel stock, though. You'll first want to conduct your due diligence on ARM, a UK-based microchip designer. Intel is investing in ARM, and it's not a small stake. Specifically, Intel disclosed a position of 1,176,470 ARM American depository receipts. Hence, if you're investing in Intel, you're also indirectly investing in ARM. Intel stock. Look beyond $50 to higher targets. Are you bullish on both Intel and ARM in 2024? If so, then do the necessary research and consider a share position in Intel stock. Rakesh envisions Intel stock reaching $50, but you don't have to take profits if the stock gets there. If and when the market decides it likes Intel's underdog to power player story, the $50 price target will be old news and investors should target $90, $100, and even higher than that. Thanks for spending some time with us today, Timely Investment Research. We're so glad you did. If you found value in today's video, please give us a like, hit that bell icon to never miss an upload, and hey, don't forget to subscribe.